Down in the cellar, and this is where we are going to begin bringing in service, electrical service from the street. We have conduit here, which will be coming down here. So we have our electrical service coming in through a conduit here. The conduit comes up through the slab and into our meter box here. This is our main disconnect switch. This will feed into our sub panels here. And as you can see, if you look over here, so this unit is what goes inside the main distribution panel, off and on. And this whole unit will be put right into that MDP panel over there.
Can you just do that second one to the top, throw it? And then to the back?
Control the ground, and all the electricity returns back to the ground. Got it. So here we use straps to mount to the frame of the window, and these straps are screwed into the side of the frame, which you currently can't see, and they're screwed in with 3/4 of an inch of a screw, and that keeps it from being a through penetration through the frame. And these straps are flush with our plywood box, which is our mounting structure for the windows. And then we use roofing nails here. And the roofing nails are used here because we want to minimize the interference between our extension jambs, which go from here to here, and allow us to have a nice, even, smooth transition along this edge.
Go ahead.
This tape takes 2 steps, whereas this one takes 1 step and saves us 1/3 of the amount of time. Yeah, there you go. That's it.
Got it, okay?
So for those windows that we can't seal from the inside, we'll seal them again from the outside. So as you can see, this tape here is black, and that's meant for the outside. And any moisture that gets trapped on the inside can pass back through to the outside, so that we don't have any mildew and moisture problems on the inside. In addition to taping all this off, which is now nice and airtight, we're going to use this for the book molding. This is a type of wood that comes from Asia, and it is actually in the flower species, and it is a very light wood, and it is very difficult for this wood to rot out. So I like to use this on the exterior portions of the building, and as you can see, this is a very tight grain. And this wood is very dimensionally stable. And what I mean by that is if we cut one end, I don't have to worry about cutting the other end so that this wood doesn't warp. It's dimensionally stable. And that wood, we'll cut it and we're going to put it here, coming around here just like that, and let it go all the way around the window. Okay, so we're walking into the entrance of this renovation that we're doing. And I'm going to walk you through the house. So here we're walking into the dining room. You can see that we have these passive house windows, which are roughly 114 inches tall. They are passive house windows, and the only passive house windows that we can get are from Europe. And so you see these here. This is the fireplace that he has here. And right now at the moment it's my office. We'll go out here. This room is going to be the library, and that will be the powder room. And as you can see, we have a framed blue niche going here for the sink. Over here is what will be the elevator shaft. This is the living room, and we have 3 large rooms here, which we use to walk out onto the deck that we build. And as you can see, we framed out our tray ceiling, and we'll have a pulled plaster crown molding going all the way around the corner here, and another small one at the inside of the tray. Here we have our fireplace, and we removed all of the parging and other materials that were on here and exposed the brick. This will be painted back for passive house purposes. And below here is a mantle which has to be repaired for the fireplace. We can go upstairs to the second floor. And before I do so, we are applying to landmarks to see if we can get approval to put the stoop back. This is currently the only building that does not have a stoop, and we'd like to get all that back in place. But we need landmarks approval for it. So again, this is the elevator shaft, and this is the second floor. Out here is our terrace. This will have stone pavers put on it, so he has a nice patio. This will have stone pavers put on it, so that he has a nice place to walk out into and enjoy the beautiful summer days. There will be 3 large doors here, so he can walk out into the patio. This is going to be the master bedroom. And this is the master bathroom. This is the shower. It's going to have a curved glass wall here. I'll have a niche here and a niche here to sit in. That'll be the water closet in there. We're going to go up to the 3rd floor. In here is the master closet, and he will have a window here that he restored from this building, and we're going to restore that window. And we have another one here that's going to serve as not only a window but as a transom to allow for air to pass through for the mechanicals. Then we'll go up to the 3rd floor. This is going to be the guest area. And this is the closet for all of the whole house filtration system for the air. And this is a big part of the passive house. These are the windows for the front of the building. As you can see right now, we have scaffolding going here. This is what we would call the main roof with air barrier up at the roof. And as you can see, anytime we have a penetration through the roof, we have gaskets so that they're all sealed and there's no air leaking in. Over here, we have our guest bathroom. And that has 2 curved walls. The original tub that was from this house is going to be refinished and used here in this bathroom. This is one of the sub panels that's going to be located here. It'll be covered with the panel door. This is another bedroom, and these are 3 windows that you can see out the back of the building. There'll be a stop here for the elevator, and eventually we're going to build a penthouse up above, and that elevator will go all the way up there. Gold,
Right.
and the taping. Well, we built the actual shutter pockets.
Oh, okay, awesome. For the
Mira, mira. Hola tía. Ya acá también. ¿Sí le rascó?
Bays, they could move large items from the upper floors to the lower, and we're putting this back to keep it authentic to the house.
Yeah. Okay. Beautiful.
You take a large item, come around the corner, put it in here, and then continue all the way down so that we could carry those large items down.
Just take out
Just look at it like, yeah.
Level 8 and AIA 1400, so 40% difference.
We got a ways to go.
Yeah, a bit, but
Casagos Consultants.
spray foam will help.
Project. Today we're here for the preliminary blower door test, where we're going to be testing the air barrier, feeling around for leaks, and taking a baseline measurement of the current leakage level with a goal of getting eventually to the Passive House retrofit threshold of 1 air changes per hour at 50 pascals. Right here we have the blower door set up. This is basically a shroud to cover up the opening in the door that allows us to mount a fan. The fan is a calibrated fan, and so when we turn that fan on, it will allow us to measure the airflow through that fan in cubic feet per minute at a test pressure of 50 pascals, which is about 0.2 inches of water column. So it's a very small pressure. We have 3 hoses actually, connected to this pressure gauge. It's a manometer. This clear hose is connected to the fan to measure the pressure inside the fan, so that it allows us to calculate the flow in the fan. We have 2 other hoses connected to the outside, one to reference the outside pressure so we can calibrate our 50 pascal difference between indoors and outdoors, and another hose to the outside that sorts of fan reference pressure, because we'll be pressurizing this building, pulling air into it, and then feeling for leaks that are leaving the building. And when we know how much air is coming into the building at 50 pascals, that in turn will tell us how much air is leaving the building at that pressure. Those numbers will be equal. So what we're going to do now is turn on the fan and get that to 50 pascals. And then we have a team of people throughout the building here, it's 5 floors, and we'll be feeling around for leaks, fogger, smoke pencil, and cans. Target for this building is 665 cubic feet per minute at 50 pascals. That's 1 air changes per hour. And we don't expect to hit that on the first try today, but hopefully it's not too far off. And then in the future we can seal things up and get down to that. You can see the number on the left here.
your way, so.
I don't like it.